Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Brooklyn08 and I collect Pandora, troll beads, and a few ohm beads. This video will feature my design ideas for two troll beads bracelets. One features the glass bead Roses for Mom and the silver Anemone Pendant, and the other bracelet features the Faceted Amethyst Gemstone Bead, the glass Lavender Facet Bead, the silver Transformation Bead, and the Capsule of Life Spacers. First, let's take a close-up look at the beads, pendants, and spacers. This is the Anemone Pendant. The details are extraordinary. You can see here the petals, the pistil, and the stem that just curves around. Really gorgeously done. These are the Roses for Mom beads. These are limited edition beads that were released in 2017 for Mother's Day. They really are beautiful beads. The black background makes the yellow, pink, and orange roses stand out. This is the Faceted Amethyst Bead. The color is really rich. Trollbeads does a beautiful job with their gemstones. This is the Lavender Facet Bead. It's made of glass, and the lavender stands out against the black and white background. This is the Transformation Bead. It's made of silver. It's a weighty, substantial bead. And it looks like a piece of silver that's been squeezed. These are the Capsule of Life Spacers. There are two of them here. For troll beads, spacers are lined with silicone so they stay in place on your bracelet and keep other beads from moving around. They're like the stoppers Pandora makes for their open bangles. And these are just plain silver spacers. So I've decided to use the Roses for Mom beads, the Anemone Pendant, and the plain silver spacers on one bracelet, and everything else on the other, which I'll call the Amethyst Bracelet. This bangle is the plain silver bangle. It's a very solid, weighty bangle. So what I'll do then is start with this bangle. I will put a stopper on. I'm sorry, a spacer on. Follow it with the Roses for Mom bead. And then the Anemone Pendant. Now, what I really want to do is thread the bead so that it appears here. So let me leave that dangling for a minute. I'll get the other bead, and now to try to put the bangle through the other end of the pendant. There we go. Okay, that worked. Good. And one more spacer. Oh, nice. And there is the design. Lovely. Really lovely. Yes. So that is bracelet number 1, the Roses for Mom bracelet. And now, bracelet number 2, I will use this bangle, which is a twisted bangle. It's not quite as heavy as the silver the silver bangle, but it is definitely solid. All right, so I want to start with a plain silver spacer, followed by the Capsule of Life spacer. Next, I think I'll use the Lavender Facet Bead. And then the Silver Transformation Bead. And then the Amethyst Bead. Oh yes, that is nice. The color is lovely. And another Capsule of Life spacer. And then a final silver spacer. And here is the Amethyst Bracelet. The color is just fabulous. That looks lovely. And there are both bangles. That's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing this Trollbeads design, these Trollbeads design ideas. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.